Hello everyone, I welcome you in the session of Fuzzy Set Theory Part 3. This is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Balchan Institute of Technology, Solapur. At the end of this session, student can able to understand the concept of defuzzification and solve example based on it. Let us see the concept of defuzzification. Defuzzification is the process of representing the fuzzy set with a crisp number. Defuzzification process can also be treated as the rounding off process, where fuzzy set having a group of membership values on the unit interval reduced to a single scalar quantity. It is inversion of fuzzification. Now let us see the concept of alpha cutoff fuzzy set. The alpha cutoff A of a fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of the universe of disclosure capital X whose elements all have membership degree greater than or equal to alpha. So, alpha cutoff A is equal to small x belongs to capital X such that mu A at x is greater than or equal to alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Now let us see the concept of strong alpha cutoff fuzzy set. The strong alpha cut alpha plus A of a fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of the universe of disclosure capital X whose elements all have membership degrees strictly greater than alpha. Therefore, alpha plus A is equal to small x belongs to capital X such that mu A at x is strictly greater than alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Note, zero cut of any fuzzy set is always universal set. Strong one cut of any fuzzy set is empty classical set or null set. For any fuzzy set, we can write infinite number of classical sets called as alpha cut and strong alpha cut. Now friends, before we proceed further, please pause your video for a minute and think about this question. What is support of fuzzy set? I hope you got your answer, and the support of fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of X whose elements all have non-zero membership grades. That is, support of A is equal to small x such that mu A at x is greater than 0. Now, strong zero cutoff fuzzy set A is nothing but support of fuzzy set A. Let us see the definition. The strong zero cut 0 plus A of a fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of the universe of disclosure X whose elements all have membership degree strictly greater than 0. So, 0 plus A is equal to x belongs to capital X such that mu A at x is strictly greater than 0, and it is the same as support of A. So, strong zero cut of A is similar to support of fuzzy set A. Let us see the definition of fuzzy cardinality of a fuzzy set. Let capital A be the fuzzy set defined on a universal set capital X, and alpha is the real number. Alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Then the fuzzy cardinality of fuzzy set is denoted by mod of A bar, and it is defined as mod of A bar is equal to summation of alpha divided by mod of alpha cut of A, where mod of alpha cut of A is total number of members in crisp set alpha cut of A. Let us see the concept of index or level set of a fuzzy set. Index or level set of a fuzzy set is denoted by meet A, and it is crisp set whose members are alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1 such that alpha gives distinct alpha cut of A. For example, capital X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, 5 elements, and A is the discrete fuzzy set defined on capital X such that A is equal to 0.2 by x1 plus 0.3 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 0.3 by x4 plus 0.9 by x5. Therefore, meet of A or index of A or level of A is equal to 0, 0.2, 0.3, 0.9. Boundaries of fuzzy set. It is that region of a universal set whose each member is assigned by non-zero gradation but not gradation 1, that means takes only those members who have gradation strictly between 0 and 1. Boundary of A is equal to small x belongs to capital X such that 0 is strictly less than mu A at x is strictly less than 1. So, here we have to write the gradations which lies in between 0 and 1. Let us see the concept of special fuzzy set. Let capital A be the fuzzy set defined on universal set X. Special fuzzy set of a fuzzy set A is denoted by alpha raised to A, where alpha is any real number belongs to closed interval 0, 1, and it is defined as special fuzzy set of A is equal to alpha raised to A is equal to alpha into alpha cut of A. Now let us solve some examples. Example number 1. If capital X is equal to members x1, x2, x3 and A and B are fuzzy sets given by capital A is equal to 0.2 by x1 plus 0.8 by x2 plus 0 by x3 and B is the set 0.7 by x1 plus 0.9 by x2 plus 0.4 by x3. Then find support of A, support of B, fuzzy cardinality of A, fuzzy cardinality of B, meet of A and meet of B, or index of A and index of B. Answer. We will rewrite the set A and B here. Now, support of A is, according to the definition, it is small x belongs to capital X such that mu A at x is strictly greater than 0. So, here we have to write down the membership grades which are strictly greater than 0, which corresponds to the element x1 and x2. Therefore, support of A is x1 and x2. Similarly, support of B is those membership grades mu B at x is strictly greater than 0. So, all the three are strictly greater than 0. Hence, their respective elements are x1, x2 and x3. So, it is the set x1, x2, x3. Let's see how to calculate fuzzy cardinality of set A. According to the definition of fuzzy cardinality, mod of A bar is equal to summation of alpha upon mod of alpha cut of A, which is equal to, now here alpha values are 0.2, 0.8 and 0. So, we will have it as 0.2 by mod of 0.2 cut of A plus 0.8 upon mod of 0.8 cut of A plus 0 upon mod of 0 cut of A. Now, 0.2 cut of A is equal to those x belongs to x such that mu A at x is greater than or equal to 0.2, which is equal to set x1 and x2. Therefore, mod of 0.2 cut of A is 2. 0.8 cut of A is x belongs to x such that mu A at x is greater than or equal to 0.8, which is x2 only. Therefore, mod of 0.8 cut of A is 1. And similarly, 0 cut of A is equal to those x belongs to x such that mu A at x is greater than or equal to 0, which is the set of three elements x1, x2, x3, and therefore mod of 0 cut of A is 3. Hence, fuzzy cardinality of A mod of A bar is equal to 0.2 by 2 plus 0.8 by 1 plus 0 by 3. Now, let's calculate fuzzy cardinality of set B, which is mod of B bar is equal to summation of alpha upon mod of alpha cut of B. Therefore, it is equal to, as alpha contains three values 0.7, 0.9, 0.4. Therefore, mod of B bar is equal to 0.7 upon mod of 0.7 cut of B plus 0.9 upon mod of 0.9 cut of B plus 0.4 upon mod of 0.4 cut of B. So, 0.7 cut of B is equal to the set x belongs to x such that mu B at x is greater than or equal to 0.7. Here 0.7 and 0.9 satisfies the condition which corresponds to the elements x1 and x2. So, this is the set x1, x2. Therefore, mod of 0.7 cut of B is 2. Similarly, 0.9 cut of B is equal to those x belongs to x such that mu B at x is greater than or equal to 0.9, and that which is the set with only one element x2. Therefore, mod of 0.9 cut of B is equal to 1. And last, 0.4 cut of B is equal to x belongs to x such that mu B at x is greater than or equal to 0.4. So, it is the set with three elements x1, x2, x3, and hence mod of 0.4 cut of B is 3. Therefore, fuzzy cardinality of set B, that is mod of B bar, is equal to 0.7 by 2 plus 0.9 by 1 plus 0.4 by 3. Now, index of A is the crisp set whose members are alpha belongs to interval 0, 1 such that alpha gives distinct alpha cut of A. So, index of A is 0.2, 0.8 and 0, and index of B is equal to the crisp set whose members are alpha belongs to 0, 1 such that alpha gives distinct alpha cut of B, and therefore index of B is equal to 0.7, 0.9, 0.0. I have referred a textbook named Fuzzy Set and Their Applications by Pundir and Pundir. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a happy learning.